Hello everyone, welcome to Crazy Cars. Today, we have something truly special, the return of an automotive icon. Volkswagen has officially brought back the legendary Karmann Ghia for 2026, blending retro styling with modern technology. If you're a fan of classic cars with a modern twist, this one is for you. Before we dive into the details, make sure to subscribe to Crazy Cars for more exciting reviews, automotive updates, and the latest car news. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia marks the return of one of the most beautiful cars ever made. Originally produced between 1955 and 1974, the classic Karmann Ghia combined the reliability of the Volkswagen Beetle with Italian-inspired design, resulting in an elegant yet affordable sports car. Now, Volkswagen has reimagined it for the modern era, keeping the spirit of the original alive while incorporating advanced technology, an electric powertrain, and improved driving dynamics. The first thing you'll notice about the new Karmann Ghia is its unmistakable retro design. Volkswagen has done an incredible job preserving the classic shape while modernizing the details. The front end features smooth curves and round LED headlights that pay homage to the original model, but with a futuristic twist. The grille is minimal, as this is now an electric car, but the front bumper retains the clean, sculpted look that made the Karmann Ghia famous. From the side, the flowing lines and teardrop-shaped roofline remain intact, giving it a sleek and aerodynamic silhouette. The wheel arches are subtly flared, and the car sits on stylish 19-inch retro-inspired alloy wheels. Volkswagen has also added chrome accents around the windows and door handles, enhancing the vintage appeal. At the rear, the classic sloping design is complemented by a thin LED light strip that runs across the width of the car. The VW logo sits proudly in the center, just above the subtle Karmann Ghia script, a nod to the original. The rear bumper is clean and simple, maintaining the timeless elegance of the classic model. Volkswagen offers the new Karmann Ghia in a variety of retro-inspired colors, including pastel blue, classic cream, and a stunning sunset orange. Underneath its vintage exterior, the 2026 Karmann Ghia is a fully electric vehicle, built on Volkswagen's latest MEB platform, the same architecture used in the ID lineup. It comes with two powertrain options, a single-motor rear-wheel drive version producing 201 horsepower and a dual-motor all-wheel drive variant with 295 horsepower. The RWD model is designed for cruising and delivers a smooth, balanced ride, while the AWD version offers more spirited performance, with a 0 to 60 mph time of just 5.2 seconds. The instant torque from the electric motors makes the Karmann Ghia feel quick and responsive, perfect for city driving and open-road fun. The battery pack provides an estimated range of 280 miles on a full charge, with DC fast charging capability that allows an 80% charge in just 30 minutes. Thanks to regenerative braking, the car can recover energy while driving, improving efficiency. Volkswagen has tuned the suspension for a comfortable yet engaging ride, ensuring that the new Karmann Ghia stays true to its roots as a stylish and enjoyable cruiser. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends vintage charm with modern convenience. The dashboard features a minimalist design, with a large 10.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system seamlessly integrated into the center. The digital instrument cluster displays essential driving information in a clean and easy-to-read layout. Volkswagen has kept the classic vibe alive with a two-spoke steering wheel, reminiscent of the original, while premium materials like leather, brushed aluminum, and soft touch surfaces enhance the overall feel of the cabin. Buyers can choose between classic upholstery options like houndstooth fabric or modern leather finishes, depending on their preference. The Karmann Ghia comes equipped with Volkswagen's latest infotainment system, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a premium sound system for an immersive driving experience. Voice controls and built-in navigation ensure that you can stay connected and find your way effortlessly. One of the best aspects of the new Karmann Ghia is its practical side. Unlike traditional sports cars, it offers a surprising amount of storage space, with a front trunk for smaller items and a rear cargo area that's spacious enough for weekend getaways. The seats are designed for comfort, making it an excellent choice for both daily driving and road trips. Volkswagen has equipped the 2026 Karmann Ghia with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features. Standard systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. The car also features rear cross-traffic alert to assist with parking and reversing in tight spaces. Volkswagen's safety engineers have reinforced the lightweight chassis with high-strength materials, ensuring that the Karmann Ghia meets modern crash safety standards. With stability control, multiple airbags, and a well-designed crumple zone, this car offers excellent protection for both driver and passengers. Pricing for the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is expected to start at around $42,000 for the base RWD model, while the AWD version with higher performance and additional features will likely cost around $50,000. While it's not the cheapest EV on the market, the Karmann Ghia offers a unique blend of retro styling, modern technology, and electric efficiency that justifies the price. Volkswagen is also offering optional packages, including a performance package with sportier suspension tuning and a heritage package featuring unique badging, custom wheels, and interior trim inspired by the original model. The return of the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is something that classic car enthusiasts and modern EV buyers can both appreciate. It successfully combines the timeless beauty of the original with the performance, technology, and sustainability of today's electric vehicles. Whether you're looking for a stylish city car, a fun weekend cruiser, or simply a vehicle that stands out from the crowd, the Karmann Ghia is a fantastic choice. So, what do you think of the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia? Do you love the retro styling, or do you think VW should have done something different? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Crazy Cars, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.